Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. I wanna have one cool song here from 21 Pilots on Going Guitar. Therefore, I choose the song called Doubts, okay? This is not a new song, an older song, I believe, at least 10 years or so. And yeah, I choose to go with this cool guitar from TYMA. Look at that finish. It's called the Maze finish. And yeah, it's like 21 million things going on in this one. Therefore, I thought it was suiting for this tutorial. Let's go into it and learn this song called Doubt. We have the capo on 3rd fret. That's absolute best scenario for us. Let's go through the chords. We're gonna start with E minor first. E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have B minor. That's the second chord, that's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret, you push down all strings except for the last E string, you don't need that one. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. We have G next. So that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And finally we have the A. That will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Okay, so this song basically have one verse play and one chorus play. We're gonna start with the verse play. And yeah, the strumming pattern here covers 2 chords basically. So we're gonna look into the first one, E minor, and then the transition to B minor. So E minor goes like this, or actually I can play E minor to B minor to understand the full strumming, like this. Okay, so you're gonna play E minor, down, down, up, clap. Okay, so down, down, up, clap. And then you immediately go to the next chord, in this case the B minor, and play down, down, up, clap, down, up. So play the B minor, 1 down, immediately after the E minor, and then you have a long pause there, and then follows down, up, clap, down, up. So together, slowly, like this. And tempo. Okay, and then you translate this into the next 2 chords. You're gonna play G next in the same way as you play the E minor. And then you go back to B minor and play that in the same way as you played the previous B minor. So G is played down, down, up, clap, down, B minor, down, up, clap, down, up. So together, slowly like this. And in tempo, couple rounds. Alright, so there you have the verse play. Then over to chorus play, and that is actually easier. It's more like straightforward. We have one string pattern and it's played in the same way for all of these chords. The chord progression here will be E minor to G to B minor and then to A. You're gonna play 1 string around per chord, and now the string around will be like this. So it's down, short pause, and then down, up, clap, down, up. Okay, so. That is 1 chord progression around. So down, down, up, clap, down, up, G, down, up, clap, down, up, B minor, down, up, clap, down, up, A, down, up, clap, down, up. And you just roll that, and that will be the chorus play. You alternate these verses with the choruses, and that's it, guys. That is how you handle life, pretty much. No, but this song from 21 Pilots is called Doubt. Good luck with this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then leave me a like, perhaps leave a comment or so. Have a nice day, and play tuned.